heart of India, where tradition meets TikTok and gender meets Garland, and where a 14-year-old boy dressed in a sequin sari becomes the icon of Absar. Tonight we visit a phenomena which UNESCO hasn't yet recognized, perhaps out of fear. The Bachaiya Show. Is it a dance performance? Or is it coming of an age ceremony? Or is it rural India's answer to the drag race? If it were hosted in a floodplain, sponsored by a local pan shop and performed under a tent held together by rope and divine hope. We begin naturally with Bholaji. So Bholaji, how did it begin?
देखिए मैडम, लॉकडाउन के बाद सब बोर हो गए थे। अरे ना सिनेमा ना शादी, तब सोचा कि गांव में भी कुछ तमाशा हो। और तभी हमारा छोटू बोला कि उसे नाचना आता है। बस बस फिर तो क्रांति हो गई।
Okay, so you mean to say that pandemic gave birth to both variant and voguing, right?
जी हाँ मैडम, वैक्सीन लगवाने से पहले लोग ये शो देखने आ गए।
Yeah, priorities. Here, gender is not a construct, it's a costume change. And pronouns are replaced by pet names like Monna Monri and Choti Madhuri. What happens backstage is equal parts of RuPaul and Ramlila, and the air smells of ambition, sweat, and expired Axe body spray. So, Chotu, do you feel like an artist?
सर मैं आर्टिस्ट भी हूँ, एक्टिविस्ट भी हूँ, पर सबसे पहले मैं मुन्नी बदनाम हूँ।
So what's your dream?
सपना चौधरी के साथ एक बार, बस एक बार डुएट करना, एक दिन उसी स्टेज पे, या कम से कम उसके छाव में।
Alright. Aspiration filtered through the prism of tragedy and TikTok. Moni Devi, a long-time patron and a part-time moral police.
अरे मैडम जी, पहले तो लोग कहते थे और लड़का आकर लहंगा पहनता है, अब बोलते हैं वही तो अक्षय कुमार है हमारा। हर डांस के बाद मैं उसका पैर छूती हूँ।
So gender norms are flexible.
जेंडर का तो पता नहीं बेटा, पर कमर बहुत फ्लेक्सिबल है।
Let it be known that fluidity is alive and well in Gazipur. Good to see. How do you curate your soundscape?
बस गूगल पे टॉप आइटम सॉन्ग 2014 से अब तक सर्च मारते हैं, जो गाना सबसे ज़्यादा वॉल्यूम में फटेगा वही बजाते हैं। बेस का डब्बा कभी कभी फट जाता है, पर इमोशन कभी नहीं।
Yes. The only thing louder than your system is the trauma of watching it live.
The Bachaya Show is less a performance and more a rural fever dream. Its Jungian archetypes doing pelvic thrusts, a Dionysian explosion of suppressed boredom.
Would you compare this to the Greek tragedies?
If Greek tragedy had palm stains and audience requests for one more round, absolutely. They push boundaries, tear them up, and then make a Dhinchak remix about it.
It's not performance, it's position. It's not art, it's an alternate dimension. Where the nation debates tradition versus modernity, this village simply says, why not both in drag? In the end, perhaps the Bachaiya Show is the most honest performance. No hypocrisy, no restraint, just glitter, hormones, and a complete collapse of adult supervision. From times of Dehat, this is Janfo Chatterjee wondering if she witnessed art or survived it. Good night. May your next village visit be as confusing.